Hello, my dear parliamentarian. Hello, my dear Modi ji. And hello, my dear agriculturist in the roads of cold capital Delhi and other people. This is Pachari Yoga International Trust coming to you to apprise the matter connected with the farm bills. Hello, please don't get excited. Don't get excited. This trust presents text 12 of chapter 13 of Bhagavad Gita, which defines the egotism of BJP leader Modi ji and true egotism of agriculturists, Sardars, presently in the roads of cold capital at Delhi and other states. Shri Bhagavan Vachaha Adhyatmanyana Nityatvam Tattvajnana Arthadarsanam Yetatjnanam iti proktam Ajnanam Yat ataha anyata. In this text of Bhagavad Gita, the words Adhyatmajnana Nityatvam means that a BJP leader, Mr. Modi ji, should keep his right ego in mind. And Tattvajnana Arthadasanam means that Modi ji should understand the ego of agriculturists. The words Yetat Jnanam Iti Proktam means true understanding of right ego. That is the true knowledge in Bhagavad Gita. Ajnanam Yat Ataha Anyata means the chaotic wrong understanding of ego is the idiotism. The chaotic understanding of ego of the farmers is the idiotism which ends in destruction of values in the Constitution of India and of human life and property. Hence, such part of idiotism on the part of Modi ji, which is a narcissism and should immediately be stopped for the betterment of the farm bills, for better understanding the farm bills, thus signed in the interest of the solidarity of Indian democracy. For Pachari Yoga International Trust, the sole mandate holder, Surendranath Pachari, thus certified this 15th day of January 2021. Thank you and thank you. Hello, my dear citizen. Hello, my dear parliamentarian. This is Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is PITE, coming to you for the upkeep of the dignity of the August House of the Indian Parliament. Hello and hello. Hello, Mr. Parliamentarian. This trust endorses that narcissism is tantamount to creating total loss of time of the Parliament and the loss of tax money of a honest payer in the conduct and upkeep of the august house of the Indian Parliament. This trust certified that the narcissism of leaders in the Indian Parliament is associated with false egotism coupled with anger, excessive, presumptive desires that proclaim you and your officials are corrupted to the core, whereas we and our officials are not corrupt. And that we and our officials are true Hindus, and you and your officials are not Hindus. This trust certifies that narcissism among Indian leaders is the result of excessive self-centered judgment and is a psychopathic behavior of leaders to gain majority in the bicameral legislature and to promote corruption, lethargy and bad governance. During this period of grave danger to the democracy has come to the road. The democracy has come to the roads of the cold city, capital, Delhi, in the name of agriculturist. I'm sorry that the situation is so bad that the democracy and the values of the Constitution of India may collapse any time during this January 2021. The sole mandate holder of this trust certifies that yoga and Bhagavad Gita will swipe out narcissism by counseling reprehension, and of course, lastly, by stringent action. Om